make a 1-minute vanilla cake in the microwave. 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. 4 tablespoons of sugar.
When I come back, you know what I look like. Everything lit, all the girls in free. Anybody inside sipping on a good time. You ain't got a risk, they can put it on me. When they wanna go,
Splash of vanilla. 4 tablespoons all-purpose order. Teaspoon of baking powder. Stir everything. Now I'm going to add some spray paint. Away for 1 minute. Now the taste